Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. Today, we are going to solve this question, which states that form a differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants in the equation y is equal to exponential 3x, open bracket a cos 3x plus b sine 3x. So now, solution. Let's first write the equation down. This will be our equation 1. So, let's differentiate this equation. The y over the x equals, I'll use product rule to differentiate this. So let's find the derivative of this is 3 exponential 3x equals 3x plus b sine 3x plus, since we are using product rule, exponential 3x. Derivative of this is what? Is negative 3a sine 3x plus 3b cos 3x. So this is our equation 2. So let's find the second derivative. We also use product rule here and here. So let's start with this 9 exponential 3x equals 3x plus b sine 3x plus 3 exponential 3x open bracket minus 3a sine 3x plus 3b cos 3x plus, now let's find the derivative of this one. It will be 3 exponential 3x open bracket minus 3a sine 3x plus 3b plus 3x plus exponential 3x open bracket and derivative of this one. Now derivative of this is what? Minus 9a cos 3x minus 9b sine 3x. So let's express it better than this. The square y over the x square equals 9 exponential 3x equals 3x plus b sine 3x plus 3 exponential 3x in bracket minus 3a sine 3x plus 3b equals 3x plus 3 exponential 3x open bracket minus 3a and 3x plus 3b equals 3x. Now we'll factorize negative 9 from here to become negative 9 exponential 3x open bracket a equals 3x plus b sine 3x. So this will be my equation what? 3. So we will substitute equation 1 into equation 2 and 3 to reduce the number of terms in equation 2 and 3. So we will say substitute equation 1 into equation 2 and equation 3. And if we substitute 1, here is equation 1, we'll substitute into this 2. So here from equation 1, we know that y is this. So equation 2, here is 3 exponential. So this exponential 3x open bracket a equals 3x plus b sine 3x is the same thing as this. So we'll substitute equation 1, 2. So anywhere we see this, we put y. So our equation 2 therefore becomes the y over the x equals 3y plus exponential 3x negative 3a sine 3x plus 3b cos 3x. You see? Hence, we'll express this term as the subject of the formula. So our equation becomes exponential 3x negative 3a sine 3x plus 3b plus 3x equals what? The y over the x minus 3y. So this one becomes our equation what? Equation 4. So this one becomes our equation 4. So here's the equation 4. So right now let's substitute 1 into 3 into our equation 3. So let's substitute this equation 1 into this equation 3. Now from equation 3 we have that the square y over the x squared equals 9y. So here this one is exponential 3x. A equals 3x plus b sine 3x. So this one, remember, is I from my equation 1 is y. So it will be 9y, and also here also. So I think there are only two, and this one also minus 9y. So there are two places we are going to substitute the equation 1. So it becomes 9y plus 3 exponential 3x in bracket minus 3a sine 3x plus 3b equals 3x plus 3 exponential 3x open bracket minus 3a sine 3x plus 3b equals 3x minus 9y. So we have successfully substituted equation 1 into 3 now. Here is it. So this one becomes our equation what? 5. Now, finally, we will substitute equation 4 into 5. You can see that this is exponential 3x open bracket minus 3a sine 3x plus 3b equals 3x. It's the same thing as this one, and it's also the same thing here. So we substitute this in anywhere we see this term, we substitute it into it. So let's substitute this into this now. Equation 5 therefore becomes the square y over x squared equals to 9y plus, so from equation 4 this one becomes 3 dy over dx minus 3y plus 3 dy over dx minus 3y minus 9y. So let's reduce this and open the bracket. Square y over dx squared equals to 9y plus 3 dy over dx minus 9y plus 3 dy over dx minus 9y minus 9y. So if we correct right terms, this one becomes the square y over the x squared equals to 9y minus 9y is 0. So it becomes 3 dy over the x plus 3 dy over the x minus 18y. So the square y over the x squared equals 6 dy over the x minus 18y. We take this to the other side, we have the square y over the x squared minus 6 dy over the x plus 18y equals to 0. So this becomes my final answer. So this is a differential equation of the equation that was given to us to calculate. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.